The first mobile apps were simple, one service in one app. Now people rely on super apps. Super app is a closed ecosystem where many apps exist simultaneously, whether it is mobile banking, lifestyle, delivery of goods, taxi ordering, or on-demand services. The term super app was first coined by Mike Lazaridis, the founder of BlackBerry. He helped users not only clear the smartphone's memory of digital junk but also make the use of digital services convenient. It is now easier and faster to navigate between options within a super app than to switch between multiple apps. Now the question is, should you invest in a super app? Absolutely. Today, customers are willing to pay more for convenience. Super apps are like shopping malls, where people go to purchase everything they need in one visit, have a variety of dining options, and maybe even watch a movie. The variety of products available makes shopping malls a powerful magnet that drives demand and engagement. With a super app by your side, you can explore the era of e-commerce, community, food delivery, and more. Here are a few benefits of super app development that you can't miss. Number 1. Improved user convenience. Super apps excel at offering consumers efficiency and convenience. Everything is just a few taps away, whether you're ordering meals, making a reservation for a ride, or managing your accounts. Number 2. Enhanced client engagement. Super apps provide a special chance for companies to enhance client engagement. The greater customer acquisition and retention rates that result from this enhanced exposure may eventually increase sales and brand awareness. Number 3. Upselling and cross-selling. Opportunities for cross-selling and upselling are abundant in super apps. Since users are already interested in one feature of the app, companies may strategically advertise related services or goods. Number 4. Insights driven by data. Super apps are data-driven that offer insightful knowledge about customer preferences, allowing targeted advertising efforts and customized experiences. Number 5. Collaboration and innovation. Businesses may investigate joint ventures and collaborations with other businesses using the super app, resulting in the development of distinctive products and value-added services. This collaborative setting promotes innovation and the creation of fresh approaches to solving client problems. Now is the time. Give your customers a valuable experience with the power of super apps. Super apps allow you to answer more customer needs and become a consistent part of their digital lives. Convince your customers to stay, invest, and engage. Join hands with QuickWorks and build your own super app in just a few hours.